Today we have a very interesting and powerful challenge. And I want you to really focus because this method will completely change how you approach expressions forever. So we are given this expression, open bracket, 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2 close bracket. And we are asked to raise it to the 12th power. And instead of jumping straight into expansion, we are going to be very smart about it. So first of all, let us call this expression x. So x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And our goal is to find x to the power of 12. Now watch carefully because this is where the magic starts. We begin by simplifying the expression. Multiply both sides by 2 to remove the denominator. So we get 2x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5. Now, let us bring 1 to the left-hand side. So we have 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 5. Now here's a very important step. Square both sides. And when we square both sides, we get open bracket 2x minus 1 close bracket squared is equal to 5. Now expand the left-hand side using the identity of minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now move everything to one side. So 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0, which simplifies to 4x squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now divide everything by 4 to make it simpler. And we get x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now rearrange this to get something very powerful. We get x squared is equal to x plus 1. And this is the key identity that will help us reduce higher powers very easily. Now we move to the main target, which is x to the power of 12. And instead of calculating directly, we rewrite it as x squared raised to the power of 6. And since we know that x squared is equal to x plus 1, we substitute and get open bracket x plus 1 close bracket raised to the power of 6. Now to simplify further, we rewrite open bracket x plus 1 close bracket to the power of 6 as open bracket x plus 1 close bracket square close bracket raised to the power of 3 because 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. Now expand open bracket x plus 1 close bracket squared, which gives x squared plus 2x plus 1. And do not forget we still have power 3 outside. Now replace x squared again using x squared is equal to x plus 1. So we get open bracket x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 close bracket raised to the power of 3. Now combine like terms. X plus 2x gives 3x. And 1 plus 1 gives 2. So we now have open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket raised to the power of 3. Now expand this cube by writing it as open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket squared multiplied by open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket. Now expand open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket squared using a plus b all squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we get 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. And do not forget to multiply everything by open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket. Now again replace x squared with x plus 1. So 9x squared becomes 9 times open bracket x plus 1 close bracket, which gives 9x plus 9. So now we have open bracket 9x plus 9 plus 12x plus 4 close bracket multiplied by open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket. Now combine like terms inside the bracket. 9x plus 12x gives 21x. And 9 plus 4 gives 13. So we get open bracket 21x plus 13 close bracket multiplied by open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket. Now expand this fully by multiplying term by term. 21x times 3x gives 63x squared. 21x times 2 gives 42x. 13 times 3x gives 39x. And 13 times 2 gives 26. Now combine everything. We get 63x squared plus 81x plus 26. Now once again replace x squared with x plus 1. So 63x squared becomes 63 times open bracket x plus 1 close bracket, which gives 63x plus 63. Now add everything together. 63x plus 81x gives 144x, and 63 plus 26 gives 89. So finally we have x to the power of 12 is equal to 144x plus 89. Now remember our original definition of x, which is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So substitute it back in. We get x to the power of 12 is equal to 144 times open bracket 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 close bracket plus 89. Now simplify this. 144 divided by 2 is 72. So we get 72 multiplied by open bracket 1 plus square root of 5 close bracket plus 89. Now expand 72 plus 72 square root of 5 plus 89. And combine constants. 72 plus 89 gives 161. So the final answer is 161 plus 72 square root of 5. Now, as you can see, this was a long process, but the key idea was reducing powers using the identity x squared is equal to x plus 1, and this technique appears in many advanced problems. So do not feel bad if you did not get it at first. What matters is that you are learning and improving, and I want you to drop your own approach in the comment section. Maybe you found faster method. I would really love to see it.